Well, you remember I told you that there are different sneeze sounds.
Yes.
Right? We do a version of achoo, but there are several different ones. Or if you're in a different country, it's a different sound that's used.
What?
You don't remember that conversation?
You ever heard that?
What? So what's the other sound?
So there's a phrase that
10 different languages. Here
in
we
the
go.
back of our minds that we employ during the sneeze.
okay.
So it is sort of a learned.
Polish is apsik.
Oh, I like that.
I'm going to start doing one of these other ones.
Yeah.
Oh, Japanese is hakushan. No, it's hakushan. God bless you.
I'm so sorry. It's a pilot season.
Pollen season's good.
They're much more dramatic than us.
You know Japanese.
I tell you, the language lends itself to speaking louder, no question.
They had a wonderful time in your Japanese city.
Bless you.
I should say, I killed your dog.
Bill's probably having a heart attack because it's overmodulating.
Oh, yeah.
Now when
That's
you
the
yell,
whole purpose, right?
When you yell like that, yeah. Here, let me see what else we have here. 10 different languages. So English has achoo, Vietnamese go hat gzi, Polish go apsik. And when you're in Germany, the sneeze is... I
have a great plan for eradicating.
no, it's hachi.
Hachi. It's so weird
Hachi.
that learned reflexive action to a sneeze, which is a pretty involuntary thing, you know. But you still are able to drive it with a word that you believe should be part of your sneeze.
Yeah.